Hello everyone, welcome back to Prompt and Process, where we upskill with confidence, one tool at a time. Today we'll be starting with Excel functions. Excel functions are pre-built formulas that perform specific calculations or tasks. They save you time by automating everything from simple math to complex data analysis. For example, or, if, count, average, and so much more. Functions always start with an equal sign, followed by the function name and arguments in parentheses. In this series, we'll break down 30 plus essential functions to turn you into an Excel pro. Let's dive in. Today, we'll be starting the Excel function series and we'll be talking about count, count A, and count blank. Three super useful functions to quickly tally up data in your spreadsheet. Let's get started. So we start with count. This function tells you how many cells in a range that contains numbers. It ignores the text, blanks, and errors. It only counts numbers. So let's start with column D. It has both criteria, text and numbers. So all we just have to do is in an empty cell, we put our equals to, and then the function which is count. You see the drop down, double click, and it opens up your parentheses. You select the range which you want, and here is D2 to D10. Okay, so you close, hit enter, and you have only two cells that contain numbers within the range, and that is what count is for. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this with only a product which is only text. Let's go ahead and enter the formula and let's enter the range and close it. 0, because there's no number in that range, so there's nothing to count, and that is the count function. It counts only numbers. That's when to use it. The next one is count A. Now, count A counts all non-blank cells, whether it's number or text or even errors. So let's still go with notes because it has all the criteria. Let's come here and enter equal sign and enter count A. You'll see a drop down and you see count A. You click on it and it opens up. You select your range, close the parentheses, and hit enter. So here you have 5 cells that contain something. Okay, it leaves the blank and counts every other thing. And here you have it. That is count A. You want to count everything minus the blanks. That's when you use count A. Now, the third one is count blank. This happens when you want to count all the blanks that are in a particular range. So you come to your empty cell, you enter the equal sign and the formula, which is count blank. Double click on it and let's use the price. You enter the range that you want, close it, and hit enter. So all the blanks in the price range are blanks. Here are four in total. It can be counted just the blank cells. Super handy for finding missing data in forms or reports. We've come to the end of today's video. Just a quick recap of what we learned today. Use count for numbers. Use count A for anything that is not blank, both numbers and text. Then you use count blank to find missing data. Now is your turn. Try these functions on your own data. Comment below which one you use most often. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Next, we'll be covering if and or. See you then, and don't forget to learn one tool at a time. Until next time, have a pleasant day and God bless you. Bye bye.